Good day, students. Myself Swati Gupta, your science teacher, and today we will finish chapter 2. In the last video, we have discussed about this chapter. We have discussed a few subtopics like structure of seeds, germination of seed, dispersal of seed, vegetative propagation, propagation by stem, propagation by leaves, propagation by stem cutting, propagation by layering, propagation by grafting. And today we are going to discuss our last subtopic, which is cultivated plant crops. So, what is crops? What is a crop? A crop is any cultivated plant that is harvested for food. These are the plants that is harvested for the food, clothing and other uses during a particular period. Farmers grow different crops in the different season. Based on the growing season, the crops grown in India can be classified as two types of crops: Kharif crops and Rabi crops. What is a Kharif crop? Crops grown from June to October during the summer are called the Kharif crops. Example: rice, maize, jowar and bajra. These are the Kharif crops. And Rabi crops. What are the Rabi crops? Crops that are grown from November to April during the winter season are called the Rabi crops. Example of Rabi crops are wheat and gram. Now vegetables. Vegetables are grown for human consumption. Vegetables like cucumber, eggplant, like brinjal, which is called brinjal, pepper, mushroom, pumpkin, lady's finger grow in summer. These vegetables grow in summer. And vegetable like cabbage, cauliflower, radish, peas, beans, carrot, etc. are grown as winter vegetables. Now, different crops require different kind of soil, climate and amount of water to grow. Rice and jute require a level surface because they are grown in stagnant and water on the clay soil. As the clay soil holds plenty of water, that is why more rice is grown in deltas areas of West Bengal. Wheat requires warm and moist condition in the early stage of growth and dry sunny condition in the later stage. So it grows best in drained loamy soil. Cotton grows well in black soil of western and central India. Sugarcane requires well drained fertile soil. Tea is cultivated on hill slopes in well drained soil in India. Tea is grown in Assam. Where in India tea is grown in Assam, West Bengal, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. And maize grows well in dry soil of hills or plains. Now about the agriculture. Agriculture. What is agriculture? Agriculture refers to the process of preparing the land for the cultivation of crops and the rearing of cattle. It is also referred to as farming. It can also be defined as the practice of growing plants on a large scale. Now, various stages of a crop production are preparing of soil. These are the various stages of a crop production. First stage is the preparing the soil. Then sowing the seed, adding manure, irrigation, adding manure and fertilizers. After that, irrigation and protection of weed, and last one is the harvesting. These are the various stage of crop production. Now, protection of crops. How can we protect our crops? Crops have to be protected from which one? From grazing animals like cows, goat, sheep, etc. These can be kept away by proper fencing. Pets such as grasshopper, caterpillars, rats and moles harm the crops. Uses of insecticides and pesticides control pests. Third one is fungicides. Fungicides protect plants from fungal diseases. Now last one, weeds. Weeds are unwanted plants. What are the weeds? Weeds are unwanted plants which compete with the farmer's crop. Herbicides controls weeds. Now storage of crops. Now final stage is to storage the crops. How can we storage our crops? So after harvesting the crops, food grains, particularly cereals grains and pulses, need to be protected against moisture, fungi, insects and rodents. Fungi develop best in warm and humid atmosphere. Insects also need food, air and moisture to live in grains. With moisture is the best place to live for them. Rodent like rats, moles and squirrel also cause considerable damage to stored products. So the harvested crop or the well-dried grains must be stored in airtight and sealed containers. So today we have finished chapter 2. The subtopic was cultivated plants. The kharif crops, rabi crops, vegetables, agriculture and protection of crops and storage of crops. Okay. So yes, students, you will read this chapter carefully and you will complete your exercise which I have given you in your app, question answer and exercise. Complete it and write in your note and send it in your homework group. Okay. Good day, students.